Hello everyone, my name is Anjana. I am a special educator and a remedial instructor. So today's activity is about how to read a die and one-to-one correspondence. So nice this is, yes, but this is a little different. This is not a regular die because this is the regular one that we have and this has been handmade. So, why all this? I'll tell you. So, this die is quite small, and when it comes to our children, they find it very difficult to read and to count these dots. Now, here, if it can be seen clearly, it is 5. But if I ask my child to count it, the child will find it very difficult. You know why? Because visual perception is a skill that we keep working on, right? And because the dots are also really small, the child tends to skip. So if you are trying to teach your child how to read a die, it would be better that you make a handmade die. Now this you can go into YouTube and check out how to make a handmade die and you will get it. Now after that is done, you will see that your child is able to read or count the dots. Here you can see that I have gone ahead and made these dots. This is with a permanent marker and we can erase it later. I have laminated this with the help of a sellotape, right? So this die can be used for any number of activities, but today I wanted to teach the child on how to read it. So how do we do it? Now this activity can be done with children who know how to count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and who also are aware of one-to-one correspondence. So this child of mine knows one-to-one correspondence and I was taking her to the next level by helping her how to read a die and after reading the dots to identify the correct number, whatever the number is. Okay, so here how do we start is that you go ahead and keep the die in front. You can either roll it like this or you can keep it one by one the way you want to, and you ask the child to go ahead and count the dots. You will see a huge difference. Why? Because one, this die is a little bigger. The dots are spaced out and they are comparatively bigger, right? So in this activity, the die is rolled. The child has to go ahead and count the number of dots. So for example, here the dots are 4 and I had placed out the numbers, the number cards on the table, and the child had to visually scan the number and take out the correct number. So here it is 4 and the child keeps 4. 4. Right? So let's see how the activity goes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hope you enjoyed the activity and you did see that the child was able to count these dots. Now there might be a question as to when is it that we can start using a regular die. Now that is when you know that your child is able to read these dots. So maybe what you can also try and do is that once you are done with this, you can try and have a smaller size dot. Right? And once you know that your child is able to count these, we can slowly transition to the smaller one. Hope you enjoyed the activity. Do share the video, do share the feedback and stay in touch for more. Thank you.